Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word Soviets. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. During the Cold War, tensions heightened between the United States and the Soviets. Soviets refers to political councils or governing bodies in the former Soviet Union, established to represent workers, soldiers, or other groups in decision-making. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.